Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete tasks in TickTick. Is your TickTick list getting cluttered with old or unnecessary tasks? In this video, I show you multiple ways to delete tasks in TickTick on both mobile and desktop, plus some smart cleanup tips to keep everything organized. So start by opening TickTick on your device. Now from the main screen, go to the list where your task is located. So this could be your inbox, today or next 7 days or a specific project list or whatever. And if you have a lot of tasks, take a second to scroll and locate the exact one you want to remove. So if you're using Android or iPhone, you can just swipe left on the task and tap the delete icon. Or you can tap the task to open it and tap the three dots in the corner, then select delete. So this second method is useful if you want to double check details before removing the task. Now, if you're on computer, like what you're seeing right now, right-click the task, then scroll down and look for the delete option and tap on it. You can also click the task once, then press the delete key on your keyboard, or you can also open the task. So click on it, double click on it, then click the three dots menu at the bottom right corner, then select delete. So it's right here, just tap on that. So this gives you flexibility depending on how you like to work. Now, after deleting, TickTick may ask you to confirm. Just click delete to proceed. And keep in mind, deleting removes the task completely. So unlike completing it, which keeps a record in your history. So if you want to clean up quickly, you can press on Control or Shift to select multiple tasks, then right-click and delete them all at once. On mobile, you'll need to delete tasks one by one, but swipe gestures make it faster. Now, sometimes deleting isn't the best option. Instead, you can mark tasks as completed to track your progress. You can use filters to hide finished tasks or move tasks to another list instead of removing them. This helps if you want to keep a history of your work. And that's basically it. That's how you can delete tasks in TickTick step by step. So once you get used to these methods, managing your task list becomes way faster and cleaner. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.